Hey, what is up, people? I'm back with another video. I have a wonderful game to share with you. Unfortunately, I don't have any information about the players. I had only notations written in my notebook. So let's check out the game. The opening is Philidor defense. White started the game with e4, e5, knight f3, attacking the pawn, and now d6. This is called the Philidor defense. And now d4. The other alternative for white is bishop c4. We have d4 in the game. The main move for black is to capture e cross d4. But in the game, black played bishop g4, pinning the knight. And now d cross e5. Black first captured the knight, bishop cross f3. And to not mess up the pawn structure, white captured queen cross f3, d cross e5. And now, developing a piece with tempo, bishop to c4. The threat is checkmate on f7. So black defended it with queen f6, also offering queen exchanges. But most of the attacking players don't exchange their queen in the early stage of the game. White played here queen b3, created a bishop queen battery, putting pressure on the f7 pawn, and also the queen is now attacking the b7 pawn. Black played b6, defending the pawn, and now we have reached the critical position of the game. Knight to c3 looks a natural developing move, but white played an amazing move over here. And the move is bishop g5. Look at this move, developing the bishop and putting it in the front of harm's way. This is to deflect the queen from guarding the f7 square. Queen cross g5, black accepted the sacrifice, and now the idea behind it, that is bishop cross f7 check. The king has 3 moves, king d8, king e7 or king d7. Let's check what happens if the king goes to the e7 square. Then comes queen e6 check, king d8 is forced, and then queen e8 will be checkmate. If king d7, then again queen e6 check, king d8, and queen e8 is checkmate. So the only move for black here is to play king d8. White has many options here. He can either castle or capture the knight on g8 with the bishop and win a piece. But white is not interested in grabbing piece. He wants the king. White played the move queen d5 check, forking the king and the rook on a8. If king goes to the c8 square now, then comes bishop e6 check and d7 is forced, and then queen cross a8 will be checkmate. So in the game, black played bishop d6 blocking the check, and now white can capture the rook on a8, but in the game, white played this move knight c3. That rook is not going anywhere, and white wants more pieces to use in the attack, and also he is sacrificing the g2 pawn. Here black captured the g2 pawn, queen cross g2, attacking the rook. But again an exclamation mark move by white. He captured the a8 rook now, queen cross a8, and also sacrificed his both rooks. Black happily captured queen cross h1, check, king e2, and now black can capture the a1 rook as well, but he didn't. He played the move queen cross h2, and now it's your move. It is forced mate from here. Can you find the mating combination from here? The first move is very obvious, that is queen cross b8 check. The king has 2 squares. If the king goes to the d7 square, then queen e8 is checkmate. King went to the e7 square, and now comes queen e8 check, dragging the king out. King f6, queen e6 check. Look at this queen bishop combination. King g5, and now queen f5 check is also winning for white. But white played the quickest winning move, that is rook g1 check, sacrificing the second rook now. Queen cross g1, queen f5 check, king goes either to h6 or h4. There is checkmate in 1, queen h5 is checkmate. Look at this mate, guys. And in the end, like every video, a puzzle for you. It is black to play, and I will wait for your answer in the comment section. Thanks for watching.